Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, actually, it's probably afternoon right now. It's probably about 12 o'clock. I am outside. It is rainy today, guys, as you can see. Looks like my phone. Hold on one second. Oh, see if that helped out any. Looks like my phone is a little blurry, and it's cold out here, guys. I've actually got Gary over here from Simple Life Reclaim today, and we are processing his first deer that he's ever harvested before. Today on Come On Homesteading, I actually put out a video of processing the first deer here on Come On Mountain. If you have not checked that out, make sure that you go over there and check that out. It's not doing too good. I didn't think it would, being the type of content that it is. But it's not gruesome or anything like that. If you would like to know how to process deer, it's a good video, I think. Very entertaining. I think it turned out pretty good. And it's not real gruesome. It's just like, preparing food and stuff in your kitchen to cook dinner for your family. So, but today, I've actually got some grease popping right here. And we are about to make some little backstrap nuggets. Check that out. Ooh. I decided that I would fry up some backstrap for Gary whenever he was here and we was processing, which y'all will see in the video that's on Come On Homesteading today. I ended up cooking up like a sausage flavored burger and also a beef type burger out of the deer meat that we was processing when we processed my deer. That way Gary could get a flavor profile of the way that I do it and the seasonings and stuff that I like. And as you can see, he's here today doing his, so I think that he liked it. The grease should be getting pretty close. We'll go check on Gary here in a little bit. Let me turn the fire up a little bit more. It's starting to pop, crack-a-lack-a-lack just a little bit. Man, I can't believe how wet and nasty and cold it is. Let me sit y'all down here. Get you guys situated. There you go, so y'all can see the what's happening. But yeah, it's been a very busy morning, to say the least. I also edited out 3 different videos last night and this morning for you guys. The one came out today. Let me put that one piece in there and give that a shot and see how it starts cooking up. And then I've already got one scheduled for Saturday for the main channel, and there will be another one coming out on Monday. So it's been busy around here. I'll give y'all a sneak peek here in a minute too. I know y'all can't see me right now. Oh, we dropped a piece. Domino's couldn't enjoy that. Already over there, ain't you, Domino? I see you. Go ahead. Look, didn't take but a second. But hopefully this will be the last of the rain that we get for a little while, and I can actually get back in the stand. That's the goal anyways. Now the trick to doing this backstrap is about when you think it's not done, when it starts getting real light brown, pull it because it's done and it'll get way too tough. And I didn't have none of my normal seasonings or anything like that, so it's all trial and error today. Hopefully it turns out good. you a little look. There will be some Fired Up Fridays coming here soon with some of this deer. I think it's a good time in the season to go ahead and get that out. Let me roll y'all up here. Ooh, it's cold out here. Oh, I'm so excited for this. It's been a while since I've had some backstrap. I like to have done this in my cast iron, but it is not clean right now and ready to go. I've got a couple of cast iron things that I need to kind of get out and clean up, and re-oil, and kind of reintroduce to the cooking world. Backstrap does not take long to cook either. I hear Gary in there moving around. He'll probably resurface here in a minute. I cannot believe that today is already the last day of November. We are into the last month tomorrow of the year. This year has flown by. Are y'all guys ready for Christmas? Y'all done with y'all's Christmas shopping? I have not even started. All right, let me readjust y'all. Got y'all on a little stand here. I did not even have flour, guys. I'm actually using pancake mix. We'll see how that works. But it's the type of pancake mix that you use for like your biscuits and stuff like that too. So I think it'll work fine. All right, let me wash my hands and I'll pick y'all back up. All right, let's give it a try. Not too bad. Not as good as it normally is, but good. I think not having the right flour and seasoning changes it up a little bit, but I just basically use salt and pepper and the pancake mix. But I think it'll work. It's not bad. It's just not as good as it normally is. Ooh, it's cold. We're almost done. What's up, buddy? It's cold out here, ain't it? Yeah, I've already tried a piece. It's not quite as good as it normally is, but it's not bad. Don't quite have as much flavor, but I am using generic ingredients here. Everybody say hi to the man, the myth, the legend. How you doing? They cooking some backstrap with me. Yeah. I almost don't want this to be your first taste, but it is what it is. Is it tender?
No. Not bad.
Not too bad. Definitely need more of my seasonings than what I got. It's very bland. Oh, you can't win them all. What are you doing, Domino? Domino already got a piece of salad. Well, definitely I'd marinate this in Italian dressing. They didn't have no Italian dressing either. Alright, that should be done. Well, there you have it, guys. It is done. Like I said, I don't think it was the best. It's not bad by any means, but it doesn't have as much flavor as I hoped it would have been. Like I said, I just used salt and pepper, which salt and pepper works for anything. And I literally used pancake mix as a batter because I have nothing else here, apparently. I could have swore I had some flour or something here. I don't. That's alright. We'll make it do what it do. We'll put a little Heinz 57 with it or whatever and make it happen. I also like to marinate my backstrap in like Italian dressing before I actually fry it up and mix it and stuff. Didn't have a chance to do that either. Literally, this was frozen 30 minutes ago. So, but I think that's going to be about it for today, guys. Have a happy last day of November. We are coming into the last month of the year. Insane. Do something nice for somebody today, guys. Take a small step closer to your goal, and always, and I do mean always, keep it real. Come on.